Hey guys, Jen Bryce here with Jen Bryce Clean With Me, and today we're going to be talking about decluttering. Spring cleaning is just around the corner. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys are ready for spring cleaning, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I want you guys to be the first one to get my latest videos. Today we're going to be talking about Dana K. White's book called Decluttering at the Speed of Life. And in her book, she talks about what is decluttering and what decluttering is not. She says decluttering is not cleaning. She says decluttering is not organizing. She said decluttering is taking stuff that you have that you don't need and getting it out of your house. She tells you can do this by donating, you can sell it, or you can throw it away. Sometimes we just have some trash. But before we get into that, I want you guys to see some before and after pictures of my husband's closet. Yes, that's where I'm at, in my husband's closet. So here you guys go. In Dana's book, Decluttering at the Speed of Life, she talks about how you can declutter at the speed of life. So when life happens, anywhere you have to stop in the decluttering process, you will see progress. In some other decluttering methods, like you may have seen Tidying Up with Maria Kondo or the Home Edit, there's a lot of times you'll take all your stuff out, you'll put them in different piles. Well, if life happens, sometimes you end up with a bigger pile and a bigger mess than you started with. Not so much so with Dana's method. So we're going to talk about, in the book, it talks about 3 different types of clutter. It talks about trash, it talks about easy stuff that already has a home, and it talks about declutter. And the key to decluttering at the speed of life is that, for example, with trash, when you're starting, trash is easy. You know if it's trash. On my bookshelf here, when I was decluttering, there was clearly trash. We had some wrappers, we had some other things like that, but there was trash. So she says have a black trash bag and just declutter the easy stuff first. Start with the surfaces and put everything into a black trash bag. Second, she says do the stuff that's easy, the stuff that you know that already has a home. For example, I had a flashlight. I knew that I did not keep the flashlight on the bookshelf, or I should say my husband didn't, but for some reason it ended up there. So instead of taking everything off, she said take that flashlight and take it to the place that it belongs. The second one was declutter. She said stuff where you look at it and you're like, oh, duh, why do I even have this? So she said, have a box to donate. So you take all that stuff and you put it in the box and you declutter as you go. So it's called decluttering at the speed of life. So if life happens and you have to stop, you can visually see the progress that you have made. You guys stay till the end of the video. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So if you guys are struggling out there, if you ladies are out there and you're struggling like, oh my goodness, I cannot get control over my house, I just want to let you guys know I have a free checklist down below. It's the 5 daily cleaning habits for success, and you can just grab it. Just click on the link below and just let me know what you're struggling with. We all struggle with something. None of us are immune to that. We have to have this community behind us where we can all pull together, and that is what I'm here for you guys for. I just want to be able to give you guys some inspiration and some hope and just some encouragement and help you guys push through those barriers and be able to declutter and come home to a consistently clean house. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye!